Hi, I am Magdi. Welcome to my kitchen, and I wish you the best cooking and baking. When I make pad thai noodle, I know I need just quarter of it. I buy this kind of noodles. I buy it at the Chinese store, and I put it in a cold water. You can put it in hot water or cook it for 4 minutes, but what I learned is it's better if you put it in a cold water and just let it soak until you cut up your veggies or meat or whatever. And then because of my girlfriend kid asked me to show every little things, then I just show you this way. This won't go bad if I put it in a plastic and save it until for the next time. What I with the chicken this time, I will cut up the fat and then I will slice my chicken small pieces because this way cooking fast, and I will season it, and if you season your chicken well, then everything turns out delicious. I can salt it a little bit and I put a little pepper on it too. First time I will use the garlic chives, so I try to cut it diagonal and I will add it to my pasta. Then you just use the green onions. I will have my chicken, I will have my chive, bean sprouts here, and then I already soaking my pasta. I am making the sauce ahead. I put 2 tablespoons of water because it gets too thick, and I like to prepare it ahead. And I don't make the sauce from scratch because it's very good tasty, and I don't even bother with that. But if you want to make it from scratch, the sauce, then just go check it out and make it. Just easier if you prepare everything ahead. That's what is good with Chinese or Thai food or whatever, because they can make everything so fast. Oil, I use grapeseed oil, and I add my chicken, the seasoned chicken, salt and pepper. I hope my vent won't go on, but well, the chicken is done. You put a little sesame oil, and I crack 1 egg. Garlic chive next to it. Little bit, not much. Add my pasta now. I will add my salt. And because I had a little water in it, it's good. Will cook my pasta. And this soaks up the flavor too. See, that's why you cannot soak it too long or when it's too soft. I'm making just for myself, so that's why you see a little here. Okay, now I can add my bean sprouts. And this is my way. You know, everybody make it different. That's how I try to make it. This is my first time, so I let you know how I like that. Okay, let me put the chicken back. Chicken is back. And this is my first pad thai noodle. Looks very good. I just have to taste it. And I will cilantro because I like cilantro. But not everybody like it this way, you know. But you can use green onions instead of garlic chives. So it's up to you. Noodle is done. And I just let you know, I forgot to put garlic in it. Start with 2-3 cloves of garlic chopped or pressed, and that's how you're supposed to start, but I forgot to put the garlic. But maybe somebody don't like it anyway. My first pad thai noodle turned out very good. I will make it again and again.